Boulder's kind of got the epitome of an on-off switch. If you hold him or you settle down with him, he just really settles down. But as you can see, he's very, very birdy, and he's also a natural pointer. He's out of the Soper Thriller. Jen's going to tell us a few more things about his personality.
Boulder is a happy, alert, playful, and affectionate little guy who just wants to be part of the pack, whether with people or other dogs. He is focused on his surroundings and very inquisitive. While exploring his environment, he will check back with his people regularly to keep track of what everyone is doing. He is a natural pointer and becomes very energetic with the birdwing. He settles down quickly when given personal attention, and we think he's going to make both a great hunter and house dog.